Future homeowners and investors, Rog Camacho here, isang licensed real estate broker, and the house behind me has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, at 2 car garage. Located ito sa isang napakalapad na kalsada, 100% flood free and no fault line. Complete din ang amenities, may silang swimming pool, may clubhouse, and basketball court. And this house is selling at the price of 10.5 million pesos. Future homeowners and investors, kung naghahanap kayo ng bahay na worth of 10.5 million pesos in North Caloocan, particularly dito sa may Bagumbong area, then this is our ready for occupancy unit single attached model house na kung saan meron itong minimum lot area na 120 square meter at ang kanyang floor area ay 140 square meter. So this house is complete in turnover, naka-tiles, naka-paint and partition with built-in cabinet. So as you can see dito sa ating facade ng bahay, meron tayong balcony and space for parking lot, isang parking lot, at meron din tayo ditong isa pang space for a parking lot. So this house has 2 car garage with fence. Okay? So again, ang lot area is 120 square meter, floor area is 140 square meter. At facing dito sa 12 meters wide na kalsada, facing tayo, or this property is located along main road. So ideal ito sa mga future homeowners and investors natin na gusto nila maaliwalas ang harapan nila. Another space for a parking lot, so it can accommodate a sedan parking. Tapos ito yung ating entry porch papunta sa loob ng bahay. Tapos ito naman yung space natin for a parking lot para naman ito sa ating mas malaking sasakyan katulad ng pick-up, SUV, or van. So covered carport na rin po siya. Tapos ito naman meron tayong space dito na sa mga 2 meters na setback, which is a very good source of natural light and ventilation. Hanggang dito po sa likuran natin. Pagdating natin dito sa likuran, eto, meron tayo ditong space again for our service area, laundry area, and of course, yung dirty kitchen natin. This is the actual turnover for a 10.5 million pesos house and lot. Ay ganito na siya i-turnover sa inyo. First, we have a wide windows for a very good source of natural light and ventilation na may kasama pang mga grills. So hindi mo na kailangang magpalagay ng grills the moment na lilipat kayo kasi meron na kaagad naka-install ng mga grills sa bintana as well as dito sa main door nila. Okay? So dito, ang ating pinaka living area, okay? You can put up to 8 seaters na sofa or na couch. As sitting space natin para sa mga displays natin. Then dito naman sa side na to, pwede natin ditong ilagay yung ating TV. Okay? So andito yung mga saksakan natin sa TV sa side na to. Tapos meron siyang accent hanggang dito, connecting dito sa display natin. Tapos dito naman sa side na to, dito natin makikita yung ating kitchen area. So sa kitchen area, this is an L-type, no? Na klase ng kitchen. We have full granite sa ating countertop. Tapos meron tayong mga built-in cabinet. Plus meron tayo ditong range hood na kasama. Then this space is for your refrigerator. So kahit malaking refrigerator, kasya naman dito sa space na to. Ayan siya. Okay? Then dito naman yung inyong cooktop sa area na to. Okay, so dito naman sa side na to, ay dito natin matatagpuan yung ating toilet and bath sa ground floor. So yung turnover natin dyan ay complete, no? May tiles, floor to ceiling, we have shower area. Tapos, meron tayo ditong napakagandang water closet and of course yung ating lavatory. Then meron tayong malaking bintana which is a very good source of natural light and ventilation. Okay, next is kung meron kayong kasama sa bahay like maid, no? Meron tayong space para naman sa kanila. Malapit lang din ito sa ating toilet and bath. So eto siya. Ayan. So kasyang-kasya naman dito yung bed niya. Okay? So next is yung stairs natin going up. So sa stairs nila, lahat yan ay purong buhos, no? So semento, tapos tiles, yung handrails natin ay solid na wood. Ayan siya. Tapos meron tayo ditong, ayan, chandelier sa taas. Tapos meron tayong mga window dito to give us a natural light. Okay? Dito naman sa area ng ating hallway sa taas. Tapos, this is our common toilet and bath. So kung ano yung turnover natin dun sa baba, ganun din dito sa second floor. Okay? So lahat ng kwarto dito guys, no, malalaki with built-in cabinet tayo. Ayan siya. Meron tayong built-in cabinet, very spacious room. Ayan. Tapos may mga accent dito na mga wall panels. Okay? Ayan siya. Okay? Then, meron tayo ditong provision para sa window type na aircon. Next is our bedroom number 2. Dito sa bedroom number 2 natin, mas malaki ito kumpara dun sa isa. So, we have space. Meron tayong built-in cabinet. Meron tayong source of natural light and ventilation, mga bintana. Okay? Tapos, yan, may mga accent din tayo dito ng mga PVC panels. Then, eto siya, yung pinaka-headboard mo, tapos yan, tapos dito mo pwedeng ilagay yung TV mo. So, dito, pinakita ng developer sa atin na pwede kang maglagay ng isang TV dito. Meron kang space both sides. Pag once na naglagay kayo ng double size na bed. Okay, so next is our master bedroom. So itong master bedroom natin, napaka-spacious. Ayan, kitang-kita natin, ano? Maglagay tayo dito ng queen size na bed up to king size na bed. Kasyang-kasya pa din kasi sobrang laki netong ating master bedroom. At may kasama siyang built-in cabinet again na may mirror na. Tapos dito sa side nito, isang malaking bintana with provision para sa ating window type na aircon. Okay? So, yung kwarto na to ay may kasama din siyang toilet and bath. So, sa turnover ng ating toilet and bath dito sa master bedroom, ayan, pakita natin. We have lavatory, water closet, and of course, yung ating shower area. From floor to ceiling na din yung kanyang tiles. And lastly, is our balcony. So, another space from your living room, dining area. You have your balcony kung saan ang sarap dito magtambay tuwing gabi. Future homeowners and investors, this is the price for our single attached house and lot ready for occupancy with a minimum lot area of 120 square meter and the floor area is 140 square meter. So this house has 3 to 4 bedrooms with 3 toilet and bath and 2 car garage. So yung price natin dito ay 10.5 million pesos. Then yung kanyang required na down payment para makalipat kayo is 30% which is amounting to 3,150,000 pesos. Bawasan natin ang reservation fee na 50,000 pesos at yung matitira doon ay pwede siyang i-divide up to 18 months nang walang interest. Then yung ating monthly down payment for 18 months is 172,222 pesos per month. Then yung ating balance na 70% through bank financing. Then yung ating monthly amortization through bank financing for 20 years, 61,478. For more details about this project, trippings, and reservation, please dial this number na ipa-flash namin sa screen. This is Rog Camacho, your licensed real estate broker. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.